So here we are at Newcastle Airport. There's a KLM taxiing out. It's going to take off. Papa Hotel Echo X-Ray Delta or Oscar. Here he goes. Shouldn't need much runway. Quiet one, isn't he? There he goes. Up, up and away. So there's the Emirates A6 EGS 777. First one I've seen at the airport. We're just going to watch it taxi and take off. Hopefully it's only going to taxi a very short distance and then go down this runway. It's a pretty big aircraft to take off at this airport. One of the biggest. So this is an exclusive for Johnny Vlogger. I'm with Pete. He's been here a few times. Pete and Shell's channel. I'm Johnny Vlogger UK. So he's probably just going to start both engines up, warm them up, and then he'll taxi when he's all ready. One engine's running. So just starting the left engine. The right engine as we look at it. So we've got the control tower there. There's the runway. There's the terminal. Got a TUI there. There's some weird plane over there. I'm not sure what that is. British Airways over there. Oh, that's a Jet 2, that one. Oh, Jet 2 there. But the main thing is to watch this beast take off. So, hopefully not much longer now. So the Emirates is taxiing. It looks like it's going to take off the other end of the runway. So we get to see it a bit longer. So a quick taxi down there and then it's going to take off this way. That'd be quite good actually, so this should be quite effective. I'll just film it in stages. So there you go, he's a bit further down the runway, taxiway. So a couple more minutes. There is a plane coming into land. I don't know if the plane will land first and then he take off, or we might take off before the plane lands. No, I can see a light in the distance now. So the plane coming in will probably land first and then the Emirates will take off. We've got a TUI there, GTUMS, Tums. So the Emirates is almost at the end of the runway. There is a plane coming into land. You can just about see it on camera now. So we've got 3 planes in action here. So we'll watch the landing, the Emirates, and then maybe the TUI. TUI's speeding down the taxiway. So we're by a railway line. Can hear the train. Right, here we go. Looks like a TUI landing. The Emirates is on the move. FDZY. So there you go, and there's the Emirates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk over there a bit, try and get better footage of it. Right, here we go then. This is the Emirates, so we'll be zooming in and out. This should be pretty cool. Here he goes. I can hear the engines. He's lifted off already. Look at this. Wow. Woohoo. Tuma, T-U-M-A. (737) max. So we got a TUI taking off now. Then that'll be it for today. Little rush of planes at Newcastle Airport. Click the like button if you like this. Thumbs up, subscribe, Johnny Vlogger UK. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. So try and get this all in on camera. There you go. Thanks for watching.